Hello guys. Mm, Hello traders and welcome back to Trade with David. So I was not able to upload video yesterday because of the whole markets. I was trying to wait for what BTC will do. Actually want to drop everyday update on what BTC will be doing and where we are going to likely take our entries from. So let's go straight into our analysis for today. So guys, if you are new, please do well to join my Telegram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, so let's go to BTC. So the last time we were live, we talked about basically here there's a what trend breakout from this zone, right? That made today's buy movement. Now, after the buy movement, we had series of what break, break, and a failed break, leading to this sweep and what we had what the market structure shifts right here. Here we had a fair value gap and market did what switch from being bullish to being what bearish, right? So what do we expect price to see? Price has been what breaking structures to the downside, breaking structures, breaking structures, breaking structures. So what do we expect price to see? Now the last time we talked, right here was our what sweep of liquidity, and right here we call this our what protected low, right? Just a minute please. So right here we call this our protected low. That's at this point right here, right? This point is now a protected low. Now I said in the last live stream that we had that BTC is likely going to do what? Sweep this protected low and a potential what? Bounce. After sweeping this protected low, we are going to likely have a bounce to probably this zone, then a sell. So let me quickly highlight it. Because right here we can now call this our engineered liquidity because this was the liquidity right here. Market did what engineered, and this will now be our what protected high. This will be our protected high. So I look forward to market sweeping this zone and selling towards the downside. So this is basically it for Bitcoin, and now let's use our projection. Hopefully we get this move. Hopefully we get this move. And if we get this move, I'm going to be so happy. So let's go to shorts and place it right there. And where are we targeting? This zone right here. So this is a 4-hour trade. Now we hope to see it. And that's basically it for BTC. This is my analysis on BTC. Now let's check out few other crypto projects. Then we go into forex currency pairs. So let's start with Solana. Let's go major pairs. Let's start with Solana. And yesterday I was able to highlight this zone by mainly just looking at the chart on my phone. I was able to highlight this sweep right here, right? The protected was high right here, and this inducement the market seems to have created, in other words, shift. You can call it shift. So this will now be our shift, this will be our inducement, and where is going to be our POI? This zone is going to be our point of interest. This is where we are looking forward to. Let's say the market reverses into this zone. This is where we want to take our entries from, right? So here too, the market broke through this downtrend, but I'm going to take this out and go on 2 hours time frame. So this is where we're looking at a shift, an inducement, a proper POI. Now we're going to project ourselves from here down into the zone. So this is 4.4 RR, risk to reward. So this is what we're willing to risk, and hopefully we see price come tap into that zone and give us a sell. Now why are we selling? Basically, remember, the overall downtrend is what? Bearish. The overall downtrend of this market is bearish. So the market is also giving us a what? A sell setup, a sell smart money concept setup from this zone. So this is where we're looking forward to sell from, right? So guys, if you've not joined my Telegram channel, ensure you do so. Ensure you join my Telegram channel, because I basically drop all the setup I analyze here on my Telegram channel. So don't miss it. Don't miss it. And so far so good. I've dropped some materials for you right here on my Telegram channel. I've dropped some materials for you here on my Telegram channel for you to come and study. And here you can see we are smashing TPs back to back on our TG, currently on just 21 subs. So you guys should join up and enjoy, right? So this setup, I'll be posting it right there on my TG. Now let's go to BNB. BNB is also a major crypto pair. You can also find most of these pairs on your forex broker or your FX broker. So yesterday I was still able to do what? Similar setup here, similar sell setup. I was still able to get similar sell setup. So this is where I'm looking forward to price moving into that zone and giving me that setup for a what? 6-hour trade. Now this is 6-hour trade I'm hoping to bag on this. Remember, the market is what? Bearish. The market is bearish. So what I want to see is market move up to this particular sell POI right there and do what? Sell for me and give me what? This 6-hour. Very interested in the 6-hour. Now moving forward, let's check out dots, Polkadot. Polkadot is also a major pair, right? Polkadot is also a major pair. So let's make this analysis together. Market is in a what? Downtrend. So all what we are looking for is what? Sales. So let's take our trend line highlight the recent sweep, right? Highlight our what? Protected high. Highlight our what? Inducement. And lastly, our point of interest. And our projection, sell. So far so good. We've gotten about 4 sell setup on crypto. So far so good. We've gotten about 4 sell setup on our crypto analysis. So what we want to do now is to wait for price to move into this our zone and do what? Sell from there. Okay, so guys, let's go on and let's go straight to our forex setup. So guys, if you joined our live stream, the last live stream we made this analysis on Nasdaq, right? And so far so good. Nasdaq has been going well. It respected our point of interest, made a sell. Now it's going over to fill that little fair value gap, and hopefully the sell continues straight to our take profit. So this trade was dropped in the last live video. So guys, don't miss the live calls. We are cooking. We are cooking on the live. So let's go straight to what? Major pairs on forex, forex currency, foreign currencies, whichever. So let's go straight to US 30. Remember when I put this off on US 30? Go and watch the last live video. You are going to see all this. Now, price missed our entry. Just look at that. Price missed our entry just by like 1 or 2 ticks. Let's just say 1 tick. Price missed our entry by 1 tick right here and began to do what? Sell. Imagine. Very painful. Guys, this is very, very painful. Price missing. You have no idea. So let me take this out for you to see. Just by 1 tick right there, we missed this whole setup by 1 tick, and price is using this. Would have already, this is a 5 hour trade. Now imagine this has triggered, would have been in like probably 2.5 hour or something. But that's it in trading. Sometimes you miss your setup and sometimes you get stopped out. So let's go straight to other major pairs. So let's go with gold. I'm not a major fan of gold because gold is very, very volatile. Made this analysis on my phone, but then I didn't take the trade. I just tried to see what price wants to do, and look, I'm not a big fan of gold, but then I think gold majorly works for ICT. I think gold majorly work for ICT traders, right? Because here you can see that breaker block movement. So if we're to analyze with ICT, ICT is another trading concept. So if we're to analyze with ICT, you can see price retesting that breaker block right there and going high. And what a swing in the highs and the lows. So let's see few major pairs. Then so this was US soy going straight to TP. I think we analyzed this on our live. So guys, go and check our live. We analyze this on our live and you can see straight to TP. So let's just check few more pairs and then we'll call it a day. So let's go to NZD I don't think we'll analyze this chart before. So let's just go straight to projects we've analyzed before. Okay, just one more and then we are. So this setup, this is on AUD USD. So price is still showing us that okay, we're in the downtrend. And as long as price keeps showing us that we are in the downtrend, this zone is still valid. This zone is still valid. This our point of interest is still valid. So all we have to do is to wait for price to do what? Come back to our point of interest. As you can see, market has been doing what? Breaking structures to the downside, right? So we need a test here and a continuation below. So GBP JPY, let's see. NZD USD, Nasdaq. So hopefully this Nasdaq goes to our direction because currently I'm over leveraged on DAX. Like on Nasdaq, I'm using a lot of lot size. So hopefully this trade goes well so I can scream for joy. So that is basically it for today, guys. Do well to join my Telegram channel and have a lovely day. Cheers.